The title is Kits, Chicks, and Pups. Cats, dogs, and ducks have moms and dads. Dog moms have pups. This mom and her pups sit still. They make such a good picture. Ducks do not have pups. Ducks have chicks. Ducks swim in a pond. Dad Duck is with his chicks. This mom duck has a nest. Eggs will hatch in it. Chicks will pop out. Mom will get off the nest. This kit can run. Mom cat will run too. The kit and her mom will run and then stop and nap. This mom and dad know that chicks must eat. This mom's chicks will get fed. Mom and dad will do it. The chicks will get big.